one more thing that's worth talking about is this concept of crowding out, which is something the government sort of inadvertently does by increasing its spending. So we'll have a look at what this means, going through sort of one step at a time. To start with, the first thing that should be understood is that if the government goes through a lot of spending, then this will cause an increase in interest rates. Why would this be the case? So let us go back to this model we have of saving and investment in terms of the real interest rate. Now, one thing I have to note is that in a previous video I had the real interest rate down here on the x-axis, so I had real interest rate down here. That should not have been the case. By convention, the real interest rate is typically actually put on the y-axis. I personally don't really like it this way because, I've been talking about the real interest rate as sort of an independent variable. The interest rate changes and then savings and investment change in response. Typically, the independent variable would be on the x-axis, so that's where I would like to put it, and that's why I sort of accidentally put it there. But convention is convention. It's not a convention I'm particularly fond of, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So try to remember that it should actually be up here. But getting back on track, going back to government spending, if the government increases its spending, then obviously it's decreasing its savings by definition. Since government saving is a component of national saving, then it's